There are over 160,000 stocks, ETFs, and REITs out there. That's a bit overwhelming, right? InvestingPro's Stock Screener is your solution. It filters thousands of stocks to match your criteria in seconds. For beginners, getting started is easy. Head over to Investing.com and open the InvestingPro dashboard. Click on the Screener tab. Make sure the Strategies button is clicked so you'll see a list of preset filters like Strong Upside or Technology Gems. Choose one that interests you. Let's go with Stocks on the Rise. On the right, you can see we just narrowed the vast market from over 160,000 options to a list of 171 stocks. You can further customize it here by selecting filters such as market cap, sector, or price range. On to the results. This shortlist will automatically show you InvestingPro's instant bottom line for each stock. Click on More Views to get a snapshot of each company's factors, such as risk and overall health. For the seasoned investors, you can set up complex screens combining fundamentals, technicals, and even analyst recommendations. For instance, you could find stocks with a positive earnings growth and a bullish moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Let's go with a low price to earnings ratio of under 5. You can also create your own view. Let's call it My View. This is a great choice for advanced investors to customize it with hundreds of options. Like your new screener? Save it so you can go back to it, and even share it by copying its unique URL. If you found a stock you love, add it to your watch list. We have a whole video on creating a successful watch list, so check that out. Remember, a stock screener is just the starting point. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Start screening smarter with InvestingPro today.